Meaning of gardener.
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 Gardener. A gardener is a person who tends to and maintains a garden or public park. They are responsible for planting, watering, weeding, pruning, and harvesting plants and flowers. Additionally, gardeners may be responsible for maintaining the overall appearance of a property by mowing lawns, trimming hedges, and removing debris. Gardeners may work independently or as part of a team, and their work is typically seasonal, with a focus on planting and maintenance during the warmer months. Overall, a gardener plays an important role in creating and maintaining beautiful outdoor spaces for people to enjoy.